Here we come to an elevator at the north garage. Apparently it's at stair D. We got ourselves a Dover. And it's a glass Dover. That's odd, it's not here. You get to see it when it comes through that keyhole. Oh, it's here. Silent. Pretty standard parking garage. But of course, we got a glass back, so let's check it out. Let's go up to 4. This might be a Thyssen Dover. Yeah, let's check this out. No Dover nameplate. I don't see any Dover blue. Oh, look at that. That little knockout. This come loose. That needs repair. I doubt that's gonna short out, but it could eventually if the wires get chafed enough. Yeah, I don't see any Dover blue in the shaft. The only thing that makes me think it's a Thyssen Dover. Oh, and it's upset. All right, be my guest, go ahead. All right, I think it's a Thyssen Dover because obviously we have a Dover nameplate, but we don't have any other signifying Dover components, and I've been told that these buttons, the door open and door close, because they don't have written text, it's just the symbol like this, that means it is a Thyssen Dover. Assuming you have that mixed with a Dover panel. So, for that reason, I think we found ourselves a Thyssen Dover. Oh my God, that scared the shit out of me. I think the pickup roller is getting caught. We'll go for a few more rides. I like how close. Look at that clearance. It's like less than an inch right here between the cab and the wall. There is probably a few well, I'd say 2 inches. That's at most 2 inches of clearance. So it's a pretty neat look. There it is again. Although that sounds like it's coming there. It sounds like it's a guide roller problem. Although on the way down, we should be able to see there's the pickup roller. Oh, where are we? There's the pickup roller. So I'm gonna listen, I'm gonna put my ear there. We're gonna see what we see. Also, that panel needs to be closed. Okay, nope, definitely a sound over here. Nothing to do with the door. That's lovely. We'll do a few more rides. This is pretty entertaining. I wonder if we can see anything in the hoistway. I mean, nothing looks bent out of shape. We got Omega rails, so we don't have physical rollers. Interesting. What could be causing the sound? You know what? I think it's coming into contact. Maybe it's the window. This might be a bigger problem than we thought. Let's try and see if I can take a look here. So I know where the bottom of the chassis is. Nope. Oh yeah, that's what it's doing. It's in contact right there. Oh my God. The building or the elevator must have shifted. It's literally rubbing on this fascia, whatever you want to call that. Wow, that's really cool. Well, we figured that one out. Neat. There it goes, and that's it.